December 8th here. A longtime friend, Dvorah Kost, visiting. She's been a MSW therapist and art therapist, music, dance therapist. She's worked with Syrian refugees, including children, war refugees, and other refugees from other regions under conflict. And she's looking at the recent drawing I did of two child victims, one Jewish Israeli and one Gazan, who died in the current Israeli Hamas Palestinian Gazan war and conflict, which is actually spreading, the West Bank and so on.
So I want to begin by saying thank you, Akiva,
Thank you
for having me come to your home and see this new work. And once again, you are engaging deeply, creatively, and artistically in the pain of war. And the portraits here, as so many of your other many portraits of those who have been killed in the Holocaust and other wars. Anyway, so now we have an Israeli child and a Gazan child, and they've both lost their lives tragically. Her face is almost smiling. She was cut down suddenly on October 7th. I don't know how. He probably lived weeks and weeks, who knows, maybe months with the chaos surrounding him that we have here in the upper realm of what are the torments of occupation and siege and noise and hunger and thirst, and they are represented, rendered with great heart and soul and depth.
Thank you.
By you, Akiva. Thank you.
Thank you.